Kurt Haig here for the last app in Handlebar Labs. With the completion of this social media app, I am 100% done with the course. Now this app is a basic social media app. The focus is on learning how to use GraphQL and Apollo Server. And I'll show you how it works. I can create a new status. And I can like a status. I can also reply to a status. And since these replies work the same, I can like them and even unlike them. Anyway, it all works just right. So now I'll show you the code. So the structure is the same as the previous apps with a server folder and a mobile folder. Though technically in this case the mobile folder that I'm using is mobile 2 because I duplicated the important pieces of mobile, so I could use Expo rather than the CLI that is prescribed in the course. But anyway, inside the server folder, most of the new concepts are in the resolvers.js and typedefs.js. And I'll explain that a little more in a second. And then inside the mobile 2, you have your standard assets and components and screens, the same organization that we've had in other apps. But what's new is this folder for GraphQL. I'm going to particularly show you queries.js because the relationship between typedefs and queries is the best way to understand the new GraphQL concepts. So typedefs, what its name means is that it defines all the types of information that we can request from the server. So as you can see with all these variables, they're given names and they're given types, and they're even placed in a hierarchy. These are the pieces of status and these are the pieces of user, etc. And then queries.js defines the type of requests that are made, indicating exactly which pieces of information to extract. So, for example, when the app uses request feed, all these values here are retrieved. Even the 4 pieces of user, this is a specific example, it gets all 4 pieces of user, which you can see correspond to these right here. Anyway, this system allows us to pick out just the information that we need. This being on the server side, that being on the client side. And that's the big new concept for this app. So thanks for watching.